Apple has been playing a massive, multi-billion-dollar game with us for 5 whole years. They looked right at us and made us think the big, powerful all-in-one computer was gone forever. We all completely believed them. We went out and bought the expensive Mac Studio. We bought crazy expensive extra screens. We filled our beautifully clean desks with messy, tangled Thunderbolt cables and annoying dongles. We thought that was the absolute only way to get real desktop power. But Apple had a huge secret hiding in their labs. The big iMac never actually died. It just went deep underground. And the reason why they hid it for so long will completely blow your mind. Welcome back to Techno Trendzone. Today, we are talking about a computer that absolutely changes everything in the tech world. If you love keeping up with the coolest, most mind-blowing tech secrets, you are in the exact right place. Let's get right into the absolute biggest Apple leak of the year. For a long time, the Mac Studio was the undeniable king of the desk. If you wanted extreme power, you bought a heavy metal box and plugged a million things into it. But later this summer, right around WWDC, that is all going to change forever. Apple is getting ready to drop a massive bomb on the computer world. They are finally bringing back the professional all-in-one desktop. And trust me, it is not just a small, boring update. It is a total monster of a machine. Let's talk about the insane design first. Forget the skinny, pastel-colored family computers you see in stores right now. Those are just for basic web browsing and homework. The brand new 32-inch M5 Max iMac Pro is built for absolute serious work. It comes in a dark, stealthy, space black color that looks incredibly premium. It is thick. It is heavy. It looks like a real, serious piece of machinery. Apple made it thicker for a very smart, very necessary reason. Heat is the biggest enemy of a fast computer. If a computer gets too hot, it slows down and ruins your work. Apple wanted to put their absolute fastest chip inside a monitor. To do that without melting the entire computer into a puddle, they needed way more physical space for cooling. So, they made the body thicker. They added massive, heavy-duty fans inside the chassis. Now the computer can actually breathe. You can run huge, uncompressed video projects. You can open 100 heavy web pages at once. You can render massive 3D models. The computer will stay ice cold to the touch. The fans will barely make a single sound. It is a huge, game-changing win for cooling technology. But the absolute best part is what you will be staring at all day long. The screen is a massive, jaw-dropping 32 inches. Just think about that massive size for a second. It is literally like having a private movie theater right on your desk. When you sit down in front of it, everything looks huge, vibrant, and crystal clear. You have so much room to work and play. You will never feel cramped again. Apple chose this massive size on purpose. They want you to feel like a true creative professional the second you push the power button. The screen uses a special, highly advanced technology called Mini LED. It makes the bright colors pop right off the screen and the dark colors look perfectly, deeply black. And it refreshes a blazing 120 times every single second. That means scrolling through websites and watching high-action videos is buttery smooth. It feels just as fast and fluid as using a brand new smartphone. Apple also completely fixed the biggest problem with messy modern desks. They put ultra-fast Thunderbolt 5 ports right on the back of the machine. You only need one single, simple cable to plug it into the wall. Everything else connects directly to the back of the massive, beautiful screen. No more messy wires everywhere. Your desk stays totally clean and minimalist. Now, let's talk about the absolute brain of this giant machine. It is powered by the wild, ungodly M5 Max chip. This cutting-edge chip is unbelievably fast. It can handle massive 8K video files like they are. Nothing at all. It gives you raw processing speeds that used to require a giant, loud, incredibly hot tower computer. Apple even put the latest Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 technology inside, so your wireless internet speeds will be blazing fast for many years to come. This massive, unbelievable power brings up a huge, terrifying question for current Apple users. Does this totally mean the modular Mac stud, I/O, is dead forever? For a long time, people bought the Mac Studio because it was the one and only way to get maximum speed. But now, this new 32-inch space black iMac Pro has the exact same M5 Max chip. It has the exact same amazing cooling capacity. It can even hold up to an insane 128 gigabytes of unified memory. It basically makes the older, separate desktop computers look totally useless and outdated. Apple knew this all along. They planned this perfectly from the very beginning. They waited very patiently until the M5 Max chip was finally ready for the spotlight. They wanted to build a single machine with zero compromises and absolutely zero problems. They wanted pure perfection. And looking at these massive leaks, it looks like they finally did it. The professional computer market is about to get completely turned upside down and flipped on its head. This 32-inch, single-cable approach is just so much smarter and cleaner. I'm so tired of plugging in extra cables. I'm so sick of buying expensive dongles just to do my work. This dark, space black beast is exactly what we have all been waiting for. My honest, final opinion is that this computer will easily be the ultimate, unbeatable machine for anyone who wants massive desktop power without the ugly desk mess. The huge 32-inch screen and a ridiculously fast M5 Max chip are just a match made in tech heaven. I absolutely cannot wait to see it in person and test it out. But what do you guys think? Do you love the idea of a massive 32-inch all-in-one super screen? Or do you still like having a separate, clunky computer and monitor setup? Let me know your exact game plan and all your thoughts down in the comments below. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the coolest new tech. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.